Hey guys, it's Robin. So I'm coming on just a little bit late with doing my drawing for the last winter. And so apologize for that. I was trying to get all of my boxes sent out at one time, which I'm wanting to send everything out on Friday or maybe even tomorrow, but I doubt that that's going to happen now. But anyway, yeah, I was wanting to ship them all out at one time because I have a little cart that my husband has everything on for me to where I can just push everything into the post office and it'll be easier on me. But anyway, if the person doesn't come forward that wins this today, by Friday morning, then I'll ship it out come Monday. So anyway, good luck to everyone. I had 21 entries and only 13 of those were actual either subscribers or subscribers that I could see when I went to their channel. So they're in here and I shook it all up. So not looking, and let's pick a winner. And the winner is Dawn K. Crafts. Yay, Dawn! Now, I think that she's a new subby of mine. So, if you would, please send me an email to the email that I'll have listed in the box below. And I'll go ahead and get that in the mail to you. I want to welcome all of my new subbies. And I hope that you're enjoying the content. And thanks, everyone, for playing along. One other thing that I do want to mention to you is, I guess you're wondering what's happened to the last 4 boxes that I was going to do, 5 of which I've given away to you all here on YouTube. 2 more boxes. I had, 9 in total? Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So 2 more of those boxes I'm sending to people on YouTube that I feel like needs let's just say they need a pick-me-up or just something to put a smile on their face. And I'm doing it in honor of Peggy. That is what I decided to do. The other 2 boxes I've decided to give to Girls Inc. here locally in my area with Peggy in mind. I used to send Peggy Happy Mail all the time, back before shipping and stuff was just, the shipping costs were so crazy, and I've been toying around with what to do and all forever. So this is what I'm doing. I'm not going to tell you all who I sent the other 2 boxes to, or I'm sending them to. And it's their decision if they want to make a video or not. But I did make it clear to each one of the recipients that it was for just to celebrate Peggy's life here on YouTube and what an amazing, talented crafter she was, and as well as friend. So anyway, that's where they went, and I'll finally be rid of all this, and maybe I can do a craft walkthrough and a little tour of the craft room now that all of this stuff's going to be gone. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it and stick around. There will be more giveaways coming up. Probably not this month, but next month I know for sure that there will be giveaways. But Dawn, if you would contact me and send me your mailing address and all, I will get this in the mail to you. Thanks, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.